What's good, everybody? My called Tyler. Tyler. I'm actually in my friend's account right now. Also known as my old account, which I haven't said yet. Go ahead. We're gonna test out a few exploits that my friend suggested. We're gonna testing it out in this game. Hide from AI troller and skull emoji. First thing we're gonna test out is the keyboard. Oh no, hold on. Not gonna wait. Not gonna wait. No. Go! Ow! Oh please, do not kill me. Go. Close the door. Don't get it! Oh, I swear in my freaking balls. I swear on my left foot I will freaking kill you. Because it's gonna use data. We're gonna wait so it doesn't. There we go. See this dark keyboard. You can press the minus button later. I'm gonna go ahead, remove everything except the case. And then type in knife. So what we're gonna do is grab knife V3 first. Grab knife V3 no key. Okay. Guys, also if you want you can comment if it's FE, SS or backdoor. It's not, please. I would like to improve. Okay guys. Let's go ahead now. Grab it. Z to equip knife. Luckily we have. You know what? We're not going to use. Okay, here you go. I throw on my left bolsa. I was gonna kill you. Die! What the? Lava. He actually died. Hold on. Can't dispose of the freaking thing. They cannot see that I have killed a friend. Did I survive? Yeah, let's go! Onto the killing spree! Let's collect your Angela first. You next. Hold on. We might get out. Don't you dare do that again to me. Or I swear on my black, on my left hand ball, I will kill you. First. When I was playing this, when I was pre-recording, look at what happened. Maybe. That is the first thing they're gonna check. Oh no. Oh no, you ain't getting anywhere, little bros. Come over here. Especially you, little bro. Oh no, you! Come on, guys. Go ahead here. Stand in my screen, please. I'm gonna take out one. The rest of you, do not leave to tell the tale. Bro, I'm scared. Bro, my arm literally fell off. Bro, I'm so scared. My arm literally fell off. What the hell is that? You little son of a bitch. You cannot see me. Oh no! No! You wanna get the tail, little bro? I'm gonna make a run for it. Go outside. I didn't make a run. This girl died. Come on. We're gonna live to tell the tale. Let's go! Ah! Let's go! Let's do the forest. I think it's good. Now, after we're done with the knife, after we're done playing with this knife, I'm back. Up no. So I'll have. I reset the knives. I have 2 knives, which can be annoying. So yeah, I rejoined it, so I can only have 1 knife now. Let's put Taylor in. Let's get the code. Versus the keyboard. The easiest one. And then I'll grab this. She doesn't work. Bro. No poop, Sherlock. I literally equip. Oh. Let's. You ain't leaving to tell the tale. This is the glitch. This game is not racist. Oh nah. How is they alive? How? What the hell? Bro, why am I floating in the air? There we go. What the? What did I do? Did that guy just die? Yes, of me. Oh nah. Is this game lovely? Yeah, bro. Can't change me now. Especially you. Oh no! Bojang! You can't live to tell the tale also. You can't run from me. Oh, how did I... What happened? What just happened? No, I hate you, Mr. Cell Shop. Put something good in. I am completely embarrassed from that. How about you? Finally, my arm is back! Can't live. Also can't live. Oh! Run to there! Come on, man. I'm just trying to survive. I'm following this military dude. Yo. This is good. Yeah. What you doing? Tastes good. Yeah. You can't live to tell the tale. I got a katana on me. Did you see? Oh nah. Come on, man. Get a job. They can't come in here like that. What if they see the body? I'm gonna go around first. Oh, now I want to play. How am I still alive? You little son of a... Hold on, let's switch to another. That's right, guys. We're in here. Let's scan it. In if there's a back door that we can glitch. Oh, frick you! Where am I? This time, we're gonna try the hack you all have been waiting for. The second hack. Out of here. Now, we're gonna apply 1 times 1x, 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 1, and John Doe. First, it's 1x, 1x, 1. It's gonna be loud, guys, so I recommend turn down your volume a little bit. Or, yeah, I'm just recommending so you don't get hearing damage or press off the video. Now, we're um, I'm gonna pick F3X GUI 1x, 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 1. Okay, exploiters watching this video, I'm coming for you. You don't even know. Now we have the F3X GUI. Hold on. I have a force field, but I'm still taking damage. Are you freaking serious? Oh, nah! Let's do the parkour first. No, nah. Hold on, let's show the guy. Did that guy just fall? Who the frick are you? Since that, we're gonna play disco. But since it's raining tacos, but get out of here. Oh no! I can't freaking see with this freaking GUI. GUI just disappeared. You can't. 6666. Oh nah. Server-sided. I'm back! I don't think this is FP or server. This is what I was talking about. Nah, the killer of what? Just turn down the volume, guys. This is what I was talking about. Turning your volume off. I quit. Okay, guys. I'll be posting this video in a while. So, for now, make sure to stay healthy and God bless. Peace and Peace, viewers that are watching this video that I don't even know where you are from. Peace.